ये कहानी है अदम्य साहस की, फौलादी इरादों की, अटूट समर्पण की। ये कहानी है अद्भुत त्याग और तपस्या की। ये कहानी है उन हजारों लाखों जांबाज योद्धाओं की जो बिना रुके बिना थके लगातार एक अदृश्य दुश्मन को परास्त करने में लगे हुए हैं।
Hello everybody, I am Arnavee Singham, studying in 7th standard Bhavan's Lloyd's Vidyaniketan and Scholar Batch Bajaj Science Center Wardha. In this video, I will be briefing you about my project for We the Thinkers competition organized by Bajaj Science Center Wardha. The title of my project is Corona Warriors Exhausted in Heat, Wearing a Protective Sheet, Now Beat the Heat with a nice cool PPE kit. Introduction. In present pandemic caused by the coronavirus, it is necessary for the healthcare workers to use the personal protective equipment, that is PPE. PPE is protective clothing, helmets, goggles or other garments or equipment designed to protect the wearer's body from injury or infection. The hazards addressed by protective equipment include physical, electrical, heat, chemicals, biohazards, and airborne particulate matter.
पसीने से लथपथ काया फिर भी जी जान लगा के कईयों की जान बचाई फिर गिर गए होश गंवा के.
In this present pandemic, seeing the plight of completely exhausted and dehydrated doctors and my doctor parents after duty in corona isolation wards for 6 to 8 hours, I realized that comfortable PPE is the need of time, especially in hot countries like ours. To analyze this situation, a star idea came to my mind. In this situation of corona pandemic, my task was to find a solution for the plight of dehydrated and exhausted healthcare workers. As an action, I had an interrogation of doctors and probable remedial measures were sought. And as a result, I was able to design an innerwear to make the PPE cooler and comfortable. The following doctors were interrogated and this questionnaire was prepared. Survey says all the doctors who work in COVID isolation ward take precautions for their safety. Almost all the doctors worked in isolation wards for 6 to 8 hours. Their experience of wearing PPE was not comfortable. 80% of doctors felt dehydrated and almost all were thirsty and sweaty. The PPE that they used was not reusable. The cost of PPE ranged between rupees 500 to 800. They were not familiar with any of the ideas through which a PPE can be made cooler and comfortable, but all wished to have a cooler and comfortable PPE. Methodology. I have thought of designing an innerwear like vest, that is bandi, made up of khadi with a flap on inner side. A phase change material sheet of 12 by 12 inch will be kept in the flap for cooling. In this picture, we can see a khadi vest or bandi. We chose khadi as it is a hand-spun, natural and organic fabric and keeps the wearer cool in hot weather conditions and uses no chemicals in manufacturing. Phase change material or the PCM. In this picture, you can see the PCM. A phase change material or the PCM is a substance which releases or absorbs sufficient energy at phase transition to provide useful heat or cooling. The principle of PCM is like that of heat accumulating materials. In the first picture, you can see this is the khadi vest or the bandi which has a flap in which further the PCM is being inserted. Conclusion. If khadi will be used as the innerwear for the PP, then as it is spun from cotton, which is the main crop of our Varda district, then it will benefit the farmers as well as our society. PP can be worn on this reusable, autoclavable, cheap and Swadeshi vest, promoting Atmanirbharta, and doctors will be able to work more efficiently.
है धन्य चिकित्सक अपने, है धन्य ये उनकी कहानी, जो त्याग किए हैं उन्होंने, जरा याद करो हिंदुस्तानी.
Thank you everybody for watching the video. I am here and I appeal you to please like the video and comment your thoughts so that I can reach the ladder of success. Thank you.